How to change the hold down of the home button, which is this one here. When you hold it down, it's going to access a certain function. This is for the OnePlus Watch 2. At default, when you long press it, it's going to access the assistant here. And if you don't want this, you want to change it to something else, here's where you can go to do that. While viewing the clock face of your OnePlus Watch 2, simply swipe from the very top like this here, and you're going to look for the settings toggle, this one right here. This is to ensure that you do get into the main settings as the fastest guaranteed way, then go down until you see controls, this right here. As you enter to controls, you're going to see home button. Tap on that one time, and you want to go down to where it says hold down to open. As you select that, it's going to take you to the list of all the options you can choose for when long pressing the home button, what it's going to access. And again, at default, it's set to the Google Assistant. You can set it to none, so it won't access anything, or choose another feature from here. So you can choose something else if you want to. And maybe I wanted to access the dialer app, okay, the phone app, or perhaps maybe the compass. Let's switch to the compass and see how that works, okay? So let's just say we're on the home screen like this on the watch face, and I'm long pressing it, and it's gonna take me into the compass section here, okay? So, and it's gonna have to do all of that there. And if you had it set up already, unlike me, you will be taken straight to the compass. You can change that at any given time, like and sub.